Hi guys, hi everyone. This is another form of keeping myself busy. So may stiff neck pa ako rito kaya may ganyan ako sa leeg. So going back, ang ginagawa ko rito, nagre-repair ako ng cellphone. This is my husband's cellphone na hindi po kasi siya nag-charge. And then pina-check na namin siya sa several repair shops. Ang na-confirm nga na charging board ang may sira. However, wala silang replacement for the charging board kaya I check the YouTube na lang if I can do it. And then, madali lang pala magpalit ng charging board. And then, umorder ako ng charging board from China pa siya galing. And then, I'm doing the replacement on this video. Successful guys, na replace ko yung charging board ng maayos. Nag-charge na yung cellphone. However, nung na-open na namin yung cellphone, may basag yung panel niya or yung screen niya sa upper right, which is nag-cause ng mga lines, nag-cause ng panel issue. So, hindi namin alam guys kung sinong repair shop ang nakakos ng damage na yun dun sa panel or sa screen. Nanghihinayang lang ako guys kasi dapat ayos na. Sayang naman na umorder pa kami ng board at pinag-aksayahan namin ng oras i-repair. However guys, just being positive na marunong pala ako mag-repair ng cellphone. Kahit basic lang. Thanks, guys!